I was 6 months pregnant with my daughter at the time, and I was at work, and I caught a glimpse of myself in the mirror, thought, wow, haven't put on too much weight from this baby girl. And I turned my neck to the side and I realized I had quite a large mass in my neck that I hadn't noticed before. Thought it was pregnancy related and called my obstetrician. She examined me and said, I really don't think this has anything to do with being pregnant, but my husband's an ear, nose, and throat doctor. I'll call him up right now. Why don't you go and visit him? So I got the phone call with the diagnosis from the biopsy while I was at work, because my doctor didn't want me to go through Memorial Day weekend without knowing. I got off the phone and I just sat there completely stunned that how my life had changed in that one moment. You're 6 months pregnant. All I ever wanted my whole life was to be a mom. I mean, truly. And to find out that, this experience that's supposed to be so beautiful, is getting a little tarnished. Really, truly, at that point, that was my biggest concern. I didn't want anything spoiling, her entrance into this world. I couldn't imagine getting treated anywhere but Sylvester, because the second I walked in the door and met with Dr. Arnold and his nurse Penny, they set all of my worries at ease. When I met with him, he didn't think at this point that there was any reason to change my natural course of being pregnant. We would just monitor the size of the tumor with ultrasounds. And around 36 weeks, I saw Dr. Arnold, and he felt that the tumor had grown and it was time to get on with the show, as they say. So we scheduled an induction, and I had my daughter on August 4th, and my surgery was scheduled for 10 days later. I came back to Sylvester to have my radioactive iodine treatment, where you actually swallow radioactive iodine, and you are in the hospital for 3 days, and the staff was very nice to me. And I brought pictures of my daughter, so that helped as well. After I had my radioactive iodine treatment, I got to go home to my beautiful daughter and not have to think too much about cancer. So this is my daughter, Piper. She's 2.5 years old, happy, healthy. She is a terrible 2, so that takes a little patience for mommy. And she's actually now a big sister. I had a little baby boy named Pierce a couple weeks ago, actually, and we're all happy, healthy, and a wonderful little family I've got for myself, so couldn't ask for anything more.